Hello, we're going to make Hanami Dango today. You can hand stitch the entire plush. I will show you two types of dango, detachable and non-detachable ones. Follow along by downloading the free pattern PDF. I will also be demonstrating how I pattern them. Let's begin with pattern. To make a stick, you just need to draw rectangles with curved ends. For dango, begin with a straight line, mark the diameter of the circle, divide it by half to mark the center and draw a perpendicular line. Use the same measurement on the center. Extend a little at the top and bottom and curve it down to the point. Fold twice and cut out the shape. I traced it again to add seam allowance. You will need a square piece for your detachable dango. The size will be the same as the diameter of the dango. To make a stick, we will need to add a wire to strengthen it, or anything hard and shaped like a stick. If you skip this step, the dangos will be too heavy and it will flop to one side. Slowly bend the tip to ensure that we won't have any sharp ends. Fold into half. We're gonna sew the both ends first. Trim the seam and snip the corner. Slowly add a little fillings and insert the wire. Top up the fillings again, wrap it like the meat around the bone. Sew with leather stitch and add more fillings as you close it up. And you will have a pretty stick. I personally prefer it being detachable because I think it's more fun when there's an interactive element. Always check the nap direction or regret later. Join the side and leave a little opening. Clip both sides. Test it with the stick to gauge the opening size. And connect both sides together. Make a cylinder shape for the inner tube. Turn it inside out and slot it into the dango. Sew around the side with a normal stitch. Push the tube out and turn the dango towards the inside. Use the stick to hold up the dango and insert fillings around it till it is full like a ball. Remove the stick. Turn both sides inwards and leather stitch it. Yay! And we made dangos! The non-detachable ones are good if you're making a small plushie. I've already prepped them and they look like dried fruit. Let us stitch it directly onto the stick. Add fillings around and close it up. Repeat the steps for the next 2 dangos. But make sure to stitch close enough to the first one. Let me know if you're interested in a DIY kit. Comment below and I might consider to make some. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and thanks for watching. Subscribe for more cutie plush. Bye!